we is back with another fucking video. You know what I'm saying? Another recap. I ain't gonna lie. I did take a trade this morning. Oh my lord. Man, y'all ain't see that, bro. I need to get my hair done. I'm low-key finna cut this shit off. I ain't gonna lie. That's beside the point right now. Story for the other channel. And keep in mind, I'm gonna start back vlogging for real, on the other channel. And then keep just my trading shit on this channel. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, boom. Got another recap. Trading EURUSD. I didn't record a live footage because I ain't gonna lie. I was tired this morning, but I wanted to take a trade. So I woke up, looked at the market. I had a sell bias. So I woke up, placed a stop, and press sell. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, we got stopped out today. We lost 300. Pop up the, well, you can just do this. One second, y'all. Bear with me. 24 hours. 226. Only risk. Well, we only had two lots on this trade just because I was going to sleep. So I didn't want to, you know what I'm saying, go too crazy and go like real risk heavy while I'm asleep because I can't monitor the trade while I'm asleep. I ain't gonna lie. And I didn't go to sleep until we got into profit. So I'm finna flip the camera. Well, we're finna get into the charts. I'm gonna flip the camera. Finna get into the charts, man. Alright. We back. Let's get into this, man. Into ways. To be honest, I ain't even start off with no top-down analysis. So I ain't gonna lie. When I do this top-down analysis right now, I'm probably gonna be like, you idiot. Why did you have a sell bias? Oh my lord. I don't even need to really, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should be able to see from this candlestick alone. I shouldn't have been entering on, you know what I'm saying? I should have been entering long. Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie. I ain't really care. I wasn't really trying to swing trade nothing. I was just trying to catch a quick scalp, bro. The charts still look the exact same. That's actually crazy. We're gonna keep going down for our. Everything is in bullish momentum, and my dumbass is selling. I literally got sold. Fuck. Oh my lord, bro. Do not roast me in the comment section for this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? This is what it's gonna be. Alright. So I'm saying we almost banged out. We almost banged out. You know what I'm saying? We almost banged out. But I'm assuming we was tapping into them fair value gaps right there. I thought we was gonna invalidate that bitch, I ain't gonna lie. But I'll be honest, if I would have waited, let me jump back down to the fiver. Oh fuck. Yeah. If I would have waited, so like, let me tell y'all. Move that out the way. Let me do this just like that. Alright, bro. So Pete. Fuck. Where's my trade? Right here. All of this is the fair value gap, right? That whole, I'm pointing to it like y'all can see. All that right there is imbalanced price action, right? Boom. We got, what is it? Quadruple bottom. Goddamn me, 4 bottoms. What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we finally swept through it. And I was already in the trade by then. So once we swept through that, I was like, bingo. You know what I'm saying? Finally get my move down. And that's when I entered. And I ain't gonna lie, went to sleep 10 minutes after that. Woke up, stopped out. But like I was saying, if I would have waited, you see right here. Let me pull this back up. You know what I'm saying? So we in London session right now. This was London open right here. Damn, the camera angle, my bad, y'all. This is London open right here. You know what I'm saying? This is like a strong, what y'all call it? I call it support, you know what I'm saying? Supply, demand, whatever the fuck. You know what I'm saying? It's a strong area of interest right here. So when we swept it, I'm not gonna lie. Now that I'm giving y'all this recap, But I was already in the trade before we swept that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. And I was targeting, you know what I'm saying, the New York Open. I mean, London Open. I was like, damn, we're going to push past these lows, go take out New York Open, London Open, and then, you know what I'm saying, turn back around and sweep. But, damn, it's actually two trades that I could have caught in this. Right here, where we swept all of that for real, for real. So we swept this little area of interest, and then this swing low right here. Well, as soon as New York really got to moving, New York swept that and pushed up. But even then, if I could have, this is technically a sweep right here too. You know what I'm saying? My bad, y'all, again. That would have been a setup right there in itself. You know what I'm saying? But then again, at times like that, you don't really know if it's going to, you know what I'm saying, fully keep going. But I mean, like, that next candlestick was an immediate, oh, yeah, could have waited, bro. We hit equilibrium and everything. We've invalidated the fair value gap with the fair value gap. And then we invalidated that fair value gap with another fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? To go sweep out the lows, to go take out the highs. Damn. But I ain't gonna lie. Today I'm not really mad about taking that L because I was low-key half asleep. And I just wanted to take a trade for the day. To be real. That's my only excuse for taking that trade like that. Because I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even look at no higher time frame. Nothing. So I really had no business entering that trade to begin with. But fuck. I ain't gonna lie. I just kind of forced that shit to be real. I was low-key half asleep. So I was just trying to get some work done. But, alright. Damn, that was a nice little sweep. And we that order block in front of New York, London Open, that would have been a target. And that would have been a good trade entry because that's a sweep work. Y'all know y'all know how I feel about sweeps. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that's my strategy right there. I ain't gonna lie. We retracing into this fair value gap right now, as y'all can see right here. If we don't invalidate this bitch, I kind of want to sell again. I told y'all, bro, I'm not really a fan of buying against the US dollar, bro. I probably need to kill that shit, like I keep telling myself. But man, you just never know, bro. You just never know. You just never know. I wonder, did we even have any news today? Let's look. Boom. I don't really see no red folders for USD. But it was a red folder for EU. Damn, did I stop that? I don't know if I stopped that recording or not. But, oh well. The news really wasn't even nothing major. We had core CPI. Still the same. So nothing, no real, you know what I'm saying? No real major news on the agenda. Hopefully this is still recording. If this is not still recording, I'm going to be pissed. But, oh well, fuck it. But I think that's all I got for y'all in the recap, man. Just took an L on the day, but I'm not really mad because, again, I should have never took that L if we just being real. And it comes with the game. You live and you lose. But it's not really a loss. It's more of a lesson. You know what I'm saying? Just go back, figure out your mistakes, see what you did wrong, see what you did right. You know what I'm saying? And to be fair, I traded without emotions. So it's like, I did that right. I did not follow my strategy. I didn't do my strategy. So I mean, like, it's a 1-1. I take the L for the day, man. But anyways, that's all I got for y'all in this recap, man. Hopefully y'all boys enjoy. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? All that good jazz. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss another video. God damn it. The next video is going to be actual live in the market. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see my whole thought process. Every time I try to do it, something fucking happened with the footage, bro. So, you know what I mean? We just gonna let that be what it be. So, with that being said, man, y'all boys stay blessed. Hopefully y'all called dubs today and didn't be dumbass like I did. But it's okay. You live and you learn, like I said. So, we're just gonna tap in.